Hello, I'm Jing Qian from China, an international student on second semester majored in supply chain. I first learned about SAIT through friends who have connections in Canada. They highly recommended SAIT as a good choice due to the high job placement rate. This positive feedback influenced my decision to consider SAIT for my academic journey. At the beginning of my new semester, I was nervous making some friends from different countries with different backgrounds. They are all so inviting and warming. The International Center always have a lot of activities. What impressed me most is the intercultural week, and you can always make some new friends from different countries or either from your home country. 欢迎来到 SAIT. Welcome to SAIT.